How to recover Brawl Stars account without Supercell ID. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and in this detailed and informative instructional video, I'll thoroughly and comprehensively demonstrate the step-by-step process of successfully recovering your valuable Brawl Stars account without the requirement of your Supercell ID. It is really crucial to pay close attention and closely follow along with the instructions provided in order to ensure a smooth and efficient account recovery experience. In order to kickstart the account recovery procedure, you must initially navigate to the official Brawl Stars support page. This can be effortlessly located by simply performing a quick and easy search for the contact form Brawl Stars on the widely used search engine Google, and then carefully selecting the corresponding link from the Supercell's dedicated support website. In the event that you encounter any difficulties in finding the specific page, an alternative option is to visit the website help.supersupport.com and opt for the selection I lost my account. Subsequently, proceed by clicking on the clearly marked Contact Us, which is highlighted in the blue color, and proceed to choose your preferred language and the category. Following this step, you will be prompted to provide an email address, which can be any email address, even a randomly generated one, to establish the effective communication with the professional and dedicated Brawl Stars customer support team. It is important to note that this email address does not necessarily have to be associated with your lost account. Moving forward, proceed by elaborating your issue in the message, clearly indicating that you have unfortunately misplaced your Supercell ID, and it is possible that the additional details regarding your account may be requested in order to expedite and streamline the recovery process. Upon successfully submitting the contact form, you can rest assured that the competent and experienced support team will promptly and efficiently assist you in the process of regaining access to your cherished account. I am confident that this comprehensive and informative tutorial has proven to be extremely beneficial and valuable in guiding you through the intricate process of the account recovery for the Brawl Stars without the necessity of a Supercell ID. If you have found this video to be of great assistance and value, I kindly encourage you to demonstrate your support by liking the video and subscribing for the more insightful and practical tips in the future. Thank you immensely for tuning in and for your continued support. See you in the next video.